Welcome to Crypto Tech Views. Every day we are reviewing the Bitcoin prices with multiple time frames and multiple trading system. As part of that, today also we have three charts in front of us. First is the 1 hourly, second is the 4 hourly, third is the daily chart. From here, we can clearly see that the Bitcoin prices are in the sideways movement at the moment. If you see the RSI of the 4 hourly, it has been moving between the 60 and 40 range for quite some time. So this forms a pretty sideways movement in the Bitcoin prices. Even in the 1 hourly, it has been for a quite long time. It's trading between the 40 and 60. This clearly shows the sideways movement. For any meaningful upside, as I have been repeatedly telling for the last few videos, any meaningful upside has to take out this 200-day simple moving average. Only then there are further rallies possible. And at the same time, for the any decent little bit of downside, not even downside actually, if the prices are falling bit below this particular you know uh, 5 super trend level, it has to take a support at 20 WMA level or even 50 moving average level. So let's watch how it's going to react. But for the upside potential, it has to cross this 200-day SMA. And if you see the Camarilla Pivot Points, as I have been telling, this candle's high has not been taken out and this candle's low has not been taken out. So this, since this candle's high is not yet been taken out, at the moment it's fully sideways at the moment, and I'm expecting the sideways maybe even continuing for some more time before it takes either breaks out either of the sides. And from the Fibonacci retracement point of view, so we could see that the previous swing high is offering a tremendous support. It has taken multiple supports from here, 1 2, especially 1 2, even this 1 2, there are multiple times it has taken support in this line. See, 1 2 3 4 times actually. So it's still, even here if you count, this is one attempt, this is a fifth time. So all these are, I mean, there is a pretty decent support at this particular line. If you see the simple trend line, actually I have redrawn this trend line a bit to update to this recent price movements. So this trend line is seems to be offering a pretty decent support, 1 2 approximately 3 4 times it has given a support. Let's see whether this particular trend line is able, Bitcoin is able to hold this particular trend line. Yep. So if you see the EMA Ribbon indicator, so what we are seeing is that the 55 EMA is offering a tremendous support actually from this angle. So previously 89 gave, and after that 55 is holding nicely. The more it holds, and after the 200 SMA is taken out, there may be a good rally. But even if the prices are coming, this 89 and 144 and 233 all can offer a pretty decent support. And from the weekly time frame point of view, so we were expecting this candle to be another green candle, so that the three white soldiers pattern could have been formed, but none, that is not the case. Actually, it closed in red. Actually, in fact, it put a doji candle here. So if you see, it's a doji candle, so that means that the indecisiveness actually. So there is no decision taken in this particular candle. So if this height is taken out, so it will rally further. If this low is taken down, so it can move in fact down a bit, but not sure to what extent. But certainly the in the daily chart, as we have seen, the 20 WMA and the 50 moving averages can provide a pretty decent support. But one of the things I just wanted to highlight here is that the 20 WMA has crossed below the 50 moving average. This is a temporarily slight bearishness, but let's see what to what extent it is getting validated, or Bitcoin prices, if it is moving further above this one, this particular trend line will get updated. It will just go like this. So that's all for the video today. So what do you think, where do you think that the Bitcoin prices are heading towards? Please comment and subscribe. Thank you.